Good morning, all. Welcome to the pre-market report of June 30th. I'm Binu from Acumen Capital. Well, today it's a monthly closing, quarterly closing, half-yearly closing, and June F&O month expiry for our market. So today is an important day, but unfortunately, we are once again have negative cues from global markets. In Asia, China and Hong Kong trading on the positive side. But same time, Taiwan is down 2%. Japan almost 1% down right now. Then Singapore Nifty is volatile in the morning. Right now trading with a 20-point cut. Dow futures also trading down somewhere around 40-50 points. Today morning in Asia, Japan is up Japan is down because of some economic data. In Japan, the factory output data is down. But in China, they have some positive economic data. So China and Hong Kong trading higher. But yesterday was a flat closing for US market. The indices moved between positive and negative territory. Now we are getting a lot of economic data from US. The next trigger for US market is the quarterly earnings report, which will come from a couple of days. So one important factor to watch, as I mentioned yesterday, S&P 500 is going to close its worst half year in the last say 40-50 years. So S&P 500 is down almost 20% this year till now. Same time Nasdaq, this is going to be the worst 3-month period since 2008. So a lot of concerns about US economy, the rate hike, recession. So all these concerns there, and it is having an impact on market. Now, not everything is negative news. The positive news from the data is that a bad first half doesn't guarantee a bad second half. In 1970, for example, S&P index was down 21% in the first 6 months. But in the next 6 months of the year, the index up by 27%. So not every data is bad right now. Yesterday also a lot of Fed officials made comments. In a European ECB conference, European Central Bank conference, the Fed chairperson told that the corona pandemic had disrupted the economy, that the inflation pressure may continue. So he said all things, nothing new from his side. Another Fed member told yesterday that they will support a 0.75% hike in July too. In last couple of days, many Fed officials are commenting like that. So once again in the month of July also we will get a 0.75% hike in US. And yesterday the bond prices moved up and the bond yield corrected sharply. So from 3.26%, the 10-year bond yield came down to 3.09%. And this 6 months, the bond yield moved up by 1.60%. So that is the biggest jump in bond yield from 1984. So regarding the emerging market stocks, see the emerging markets, now they have the worst first half period in 24 years.
So the MSCI Emerging Market Index is down 17% this year, the biggest fall since 1998. Coming to Indian market, you can see that the Indian indices, the major indices are down 9% this year. The mid cap index down by 12% and small cap index down by 15%. On sector basis, metal and IT were the worst performers. At the same time, auto sector is giving some outperformance, especially in the last 1 month time. The main reason we all know, the US recession fears, the interest rate hike cycle, the high inflation, the low demand from the economy, and one more factor, the heavy selling from FIIs. Yesterday there was a lower selling of around 850 crore, but this year till now FII sold for 2.15 lakh crore, and from October last year onwards FIIs have sold 2.51 lakh crore. So all these putting pressure on Indian markets nowadays. So anyway, the global cues are not very good today also. Anyway, we will have a very volatile trading, especially because of the June F&O expiry. Today on the stock specific things, nothing to discuss. So regarding the index, Nifty anyway will be volatile today. The critical level for an upside movement is 15,810, and after the initial volatility, if market sustains above 15,810, we may see some kind of a positive momentum, for which the first upside hurdle comes at 15,866, and on top of that 15,908 may act as a strong resistance, and above this the sentimentally important resistance comes at 15,990 level. For the day, the first minor support comes at 15,750 level, and below this the support comes at 15,703 level, which is an important support zone. Lower to which the next support comes at 15,660 level, and major support for the day is at 15,550. Anyway, expect a very volatile day today. Today, lot of mutual funds may be active in the market because of half year ending and all. Thanks for watching this video. This is an educational video.